And this question is given that a black body at 227 degrees Celsius radiate heat at the rate of 7 calorie per centimeter square per second. So we can take it as the temperature in the initial condition is nothing but 227, which is given in degrees Celsius. So to convert that, we can add 273. So that we will get the answer in Kelvin scale. 273 plus 27, 300, 300 plus 200, we can take it as 500 Kelvin. And the radiation energy or the value of energy per unit area per unit time is given as, let's say I'm just representing it by Q1, which is given as nothing but 7. At a temperature, let's say another temperature T2, which is equal to 727 degrees Celsius, again we can add 273 to convert into Kelvin scale. So we can write this will be equal to nothing but 1000 Kelvin. The rate of heat radiation will be, so Rm is to find out the value of Q2 over here. So we know the equation for rate of flow of energy, that is E sigma A temperature of object raised to 4, or you can write this Q is directly proportional to the value of T raised to 4. So you can write the value of Q2 divided by Q1 will be equal to T2 divided by T1 raised to 4. And temperature in second situation we can take it as 1000, temperature in the first situation we can take it as 500 raised to 4. So this 100 and this 100 get cancelled, and so this we can take it as 2 raised to 4, which we can take it as nothing but 16. So the value of Q2 can be written as nothing but 16 times of Q1, and the value of Q1 over here is nothing but 7. So the answer will be 16 into 7, which is equal to 112.